Hey guys, it's Matthew again, and today is 1st of April 2025. So I quickly placed that trade there because it was going right up. It was going right up. So it's 1st of April 2025, and here we're going to be trading the Volatility 25 index, touch, no touch, and we're using the Bollinger Bands indicator. It's under the volatility. You go to volatility, click on Bollinger Bands right here. So once you log into your trading account, go to V25, choose V25. So we want that trade right there. Then go to the trade type here, click touch, no touch. Set this to minutes, set the barrier offset to -1, -0.157. So we're going to be clicking on touch. Once this is pushing right up, we're going to click on touch. You've already won that trade here, we're going to trade again. As it's down, it has to be going up. It's going up. It's up, it's going up, it's down again, it's going up. As it's going down, you have to be patient, you have to make sure it's going right up. Okay, so you can see it was going right up there. We'll place our trade. The time count right here. So you can see we want that trade. We want that trade right here. So we want to trace. So we're going to stop right here. So you can go on and on and on. Just make sure you watch the movement before you click on touch. So for those who haven't gotten the buy sell indicator, you can see the indicator right there. It works on Deriv and all other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. You can use it to trade your V10, V25, V50, Euro, USD, USD, CHF, all Forex pairs, jump indices, crash and boom. And so how it works is not a cloud-based indicator. So once you attach it to your chart, it shows when to buy and when to sell. So this is when you sell and this is when you buy. It shows it on the chart. So once you see the sign, you quickly buy and you quickly sell. You can set your TP and your XL as well. You can see some trades ongoing right there. So we're still giving this indicator away for free for those who want the indicator. Check the video description on YouTube. Check the video description on YouTube. And for those who haven't gotten the Taskkeeper board as a board right there, and the Pip Stripper board as well, they are automated and they work on Deriv interface. You can use them to trade binary options on Deriv. So the links to order them are in the video description on YouTube. We're also giving away the free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices. We're giving away free Forex ebook as well, free Forex board, free binary options board as well. When you order any of our boards, don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Subscribe to all our channels. So these are the links. Check the video description. These are the links. This is a link to sign up for a free trading account. For those who want the buy sell indicator, use this thing to sign up for a free trading account. Subscribe to all these 3 channels right here. Subscribe. So once you subscribe, send an email to the email address here with the subject free indicator with the last 3 digits of your new account you just signed up. So once we verify your sign up, we're going to send the indicator to you for free. For those who already have a trading account, use this link to order the indicator for $12. And for those who haven't purchased the buy sell, the binary options pip stripper bot and the toss skipper bot, the links to order them are in the video description on YouTube. This is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and these are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. And there are also other infos right here. There's a link to join our forum to read these tutorials. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share our videos, comment, likes,